The Galaxy Z Flip. Of all the foldables that have been around for the last 3-4 years, this has been the most fun and exciting. I mean, who wouldn't want to snap close their phone like this? Today, Samsung unveiled the Z Flip 4, and everything we've loved about the phone is still there. But it's got some nifty improvements too. So the question now is, should you rush out and snag one of those awesome pre-order deals? Hi, I'm Michael Josh, your gadget matchmaker, and over the last decade, I've made it my job to show people around the world that tech can be easy, fun, and exciting. On this channel, I give you special access to the products I review, the events I attend, and all the exciting people I get to meet along the way. And most importantly, I help you find the right gadget to match your needs. This is our first look at the new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. So this is the new Galaxy Z Flip 4. Don't be too surprised, it looks very much like the Z Flip 3. This year's update is mostly iterative, but in all the right places. And later on in this video, I will talk about two of the phone's most important updates. The phone retains a lot of the original Flip's fun, youthful vibe, including a host of colors to pick from. My original Flip was glossy purple. Last year, I had a more subtle cream one. And this year, I'm excited that it finally comes in blue. The Flip 4 also comes in graphite, pink gold, and Bora purple. Bora, by the way, also means purple in Korean. Now, it doesn't stop there. There's also the Bespoke Edition, allowing you to choose a frame color, a top glass color, and a bottom glass color. With all these choices to pick from, there are 75 unique combinations in total. And to make it easier to visualize this, Samsung has created this machine, which you should definitely check out when you visit Samsung's Galaxy pop-up in New York this month. It runs for only a month, and there's definitely a lot to see. The machine lets you make all your choices and then shows you what it would actually look like in real life. Let me know how you'd customize the Galaxy Flip 4 in the comments section below. To order the bespoke Galaxy Z Flip 4, you can head over to Samsung.com. Just know that the delivery will take a little bit longer because of your customizations. Now, while it's not very obvious the Flip 4 is a tad bit smaller than the Flip 3, it also has a tougher frame and a screen that's 45% stronger than its predecessor. When Samsung first launched the Flip, it had a tiny screen up front, but since then the cover screen has become larger and more useful. On the Flip 4, the cover screen gets minimal improvements. There's a new SmartThings widget for controlling smart home devices. You can also now access more than just volume and brightness controls, but Bluetooth and Wi-Fi too. On the last Galaxy Z Flip, you could read messages as soon as they came in, but you couldn't reply to them. Now you can at least respond with a templated quick reply. There are also new clock designs and the ability to set video backgrounds. I want to hold off any detailed commentary until my full review, but as it stands, it still feels like the cover screen feels more like a smartwatch displaying notifications more than an actual second screen. You can, however, continue to shoot photos and videos while the phone is shut. And now you also have the option to switch aspect ratio, take selfies with portrait mode, and even stream on Instagram and Facebook. Last year, Samsung introduced Flex Mode, so you could use your phone while opened at a 90-degree angle. This year, more apps support it. Instagram, for example, lets you use the lower half of the screen to scroll through new filters while you preview the effects on the top screen. YouTube, Netflix, and Disney Plus will also let you watch videos on the top half of the screen, with the lower half reserved for volume and video controls. Earlier, I talked about two of the most significant improvements to the Galaxy Z Flip 4, the first of which is in terms of battery life. Both the Z Flip 5G and the Z Flip 3 had 3,300 milliamp hour batteries. This year, it's got a larger 3,700 milliamp hour battery. That, plus efficiencies provided by its new 4nm processor, almost certainly guarantee better battery life. Samsung is promising an additional 3 hours of screen-on time. On top of that, charging speeds have been improved also. The phone now supports 25-watt charging, up from 15 watts, so you can supposedly get a 50% charge in 30 minutes. But no charger will be included in the box, so you'll need at least a 25-watt USB-C charger to benefit from fast charging. The other big improvement has to do with the Z Flip 4's camera. One big criticism of the Z Flip series has been its cameras have not been as good as the S series. Last year, Samsung didn't change the hardware, but only tweaked the software. But this year, they're doing both. While the phone has the same ultra-wide angle camera, it does have a new wide camera, which Samsung says has a larger pixel size. Samsung is also promising that all the nightography features that debuted on the S22 series will be available on this phone as well as other features, including enhanced portrait mode, which uses an AI stereo depth map for better cutouts, and night portrait mode. I have always wanted better night mode photography on the Flip, so I can't wait to test out these features in the real world. Here in the US, the Galaxy Z Flip 4 will be available starting August 26th. It starts at $999.99 for the model with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, with 256GB and 512GB models also available. Pre-orders start today, August 10th, and if you pre-order, you will get a complimentary storage bump up or upgrade. So for example, you get the 128GB model, you automatically get a free 256GB model instead. On top of that, you could also get up to $900 off an eligible trade-in, as well as a silicone rings or strap case of your choice. Which brings us to the question I asked up top. Should you rush out and get one of these awesome pre-order deals? Well, if you already own a Galaxy Z Flip 3, then my answer is no, unless money is no object. But if you've been wanting to join the Z Flip family with all its battery and camera improvements and the generous storage upgrade offer, I say now is the time to get one. I'll put links down below. Of course, you could also wait for my review video, and while you're waiting, make sure you're subscribed to this YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we upload. Follow me on social media for all the behind-the-scenes fun stuff. I will be posting sample photos as I go about my day testing the new Galaxy Z Flip 4, and for news and updates, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.